Hey, are you a music producer or a musician who's been putting out music but it's just been going nowhere? And by nowhere, I mean little or no streams on SoundCloud, YouTube, or Spotify, and barely any sales on Beatport and iTunes? If that's you, trust me, I've been in your shoes. When I first started making music, I was under the impression that all I had to do was get my music signed to a record label, sit back, and let them do all the work. But in reality, no one's gonna care more about your music than you do. It's incredibly important that you learn how to release music effectively by yourself so that when you do approach labels, you know exactly how to gain traction by yourself, and you also know what labels should be doing to promote your music. Now, I've released music on some amazing labels such as Dim Mak, Panda Funk, Punks, Confessions, Brooklyn Fire, Ministry of Sound, just to name a few. And the one thing I've learned is that when you are able to generate your own traction, bigger labels with bigger fan bases are way more inclined to work with you. Now, once you've learned the process of releasing and promoting your music yourself, you no longer have to depend on labels or promotion companies to do anything, which is awesome. Now, there is a process to releasing and promoting music. I spent the last 5 years refining this process into a step-by-step system to effectively market my music. And on September 22nd, I'm gonna be hosting a marketing workshop at the Night Vision Music Academy in Edmonton, Alberta from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. In the workshop, I'll be teaching the exact process to release and promote your music. This includes how to prepare for a release, how to contact influencers such as YouTube, blogs, and Spotify playlists, the exact process and content you need to post on your socials before and after the release, how to build momentum with every release, and the best and quickest ways to generate new listeners. Now, I myself am pretty skeptical when someone tells me they can teach me all these things, and I'm also skeptical of teachers who haven't consistently released high quality music. So in my workshop, I'm going to be showing you case studies of the exact process and promotion process of my last release. The song was released on Chammy's label's Confessions, and it got a ton of support on YouTube, and it peaked on the Beatport Bass House charts at number 13. I'll also be showing you previous releases which were more geared towards Spotify, which generated over 500,000 plays. Now, I want you to leave this seminar with the exact process to release and promote your music. If you know someone who would find this event useful or really needs help marketing their music, please tag them in the comments because this is going to be amazing for their career. Can't wait to see you guys at the event. It's going to be awesome. Peace.